angels, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a November reset. When you're watching this, November has already started since like Wednesday, but it's okay because we still have things to get ready for the month that I've done, planning new video ideas and doing my nails and all that jazz. So make sure you guys subscribe to the bell so you never miss another one of my videos. And let's get straight on into how I prepared for November because there's a lot that I did actually. So I always feel like in these videos I clean my room, but this time it was really bad and I had to deep clean my room because in my closet I have so many Christmas presents I've been hiding, and I decided just to buy wrapping paper and start wrapping the gifts that I had because I had so many, you guys. I've just been kind of budgeting every single paycheck to buy somebody a gift so that eventually I'll have enough money and gifts for everybody. Black Friday is coming up this month, so I'll definitely take advantage of that. But that is kind of my game plan, has been to like every single paycheck buy something for somebody or like save it and then wait until I can buy someone something. That's one thing that I feel like is a little different, is I don't really budget, which is kind of bad, but I don't. I feel like I just save everything that I make and then buy gas and call it a day. That's all I do. I don't really have bills to pay right now. You know, adulting will come when it comes. So that is the first thing I did because I couldn't open my closet for the last like 2 weeks because of all the things that I've been ordering and buying and all this stuff. But I love this little wrapping paper. I also feel like in November, my biggest goals, I don't really set my goals for the month, but my biggest goals is definitely working on my time management skills, because I feel like I have, like, there are certain days where I want to be super productive and I am, and then there are other days where I'm just not productive and I don't do anything with my life. So I want to kind of balance that out and do a little bit more, like something small every single day that's more productive. Another thing I haven't done in a very long time that is actually so gross is change my sheets. Did I do it in my last reset? I don't remember. If I did, then it's been a month. But I don't know. A lot of everyone, if you didn't know, a lot of skin issues can come from your like bed sheets. My parents change their bed sheets literally every week, and I could never. I think the most I've done is like every 2 weeks. But honestly, I do it like once a month. It's really bad. Another thing that has been bothering me is that I can't open my dresser drawers anymore because they're stuffed full, and then I have a bunch of stuff. And this month's theme is just me having a bunch of things that I never work with, I guess. I don't know. This drawer, though, I've had this dresser for the longest time, you can tell because it's peeling, and I'm really wanting next year to go to IKEA and just get a new one, because this one, I don't know if the IKEA one is bigger than this one. This one only has like 6 things, but it's kind of taller, I guess. Like, it's a good height. But the IKEA one, I think, is deeper and it's wider, but it's not as tall. But I just feel like the IKEA one would look so good. I want to do a whole room makeover next year, just because, you know, fresh start. But I don't know. I just feel like this dresser is annoying me, so I had to clean that out because I couldn't do it anymore. I just couldn't even open the drawers, and then it would annoy me. It's like my closet, like both of them being like jam-packed has been annoying me, and like I feel like I've been avoiding like being in my room because I don't want to see all of that stuff around. So that's something. I think that's one of the signs that I get when I don't want to be somewhere in my house. It's because I've been avoiding doing something, and I think a lot of people do that, where like your mind is cluttered. It's because your space is cluttered, and for me, literally it's like that. So something that I did in October that was kind of crazy is read a book. I read a lot, but I have to be in the mood, and I feel like ever since I started school again, I just haven't. So I read the book called Stalking Jack the Ripper, and it was amazing. I gave it 4.5 stars, and now I have the second book. So another one of my goals for this month is to read every single day, as well as do something productive, whether that be study a little bit every day or whatever. I also feel like I clean my desk every single time I make one of these videos, and it's literally because in the beginning of the month I have 2 weeks clean as day. Like literally my desk looks amazing, and then by the end of the month I'm like nope, and then I throw everything on there and then never use it. So I end up doing all my work at the kitchen table. Yep. I also feel like every time I do one of these videos I never actually deep clean or get rid of papers inside of the cabinets. So that's what I did today because I felt like it was much needed at that point. Again, it was just annoying me that I couldn't find anything I needed, and I think this is a common factor of my life currently. I think when I look at September going into October, I said that September was one of those months that I felt like my social life was great, but then everything else was kind of like in shambles. And then I feel like October I got my life together, but I also feel like I wasn't as productive as I usually am. So November and December are the end of the semesters, so I really need to get organized and do all my stuff. Like literally when this video goes up, I have so much homework I have to do that I haven't done because I have been procrastinating. I'm gonna be honest, I never procrastinate, but I feel like at the end of the semester, November hits and I'm zoned out. I'm like done for the semester and I don't want to do anything, so I need to get my life back together. If I don't even think my life is messed up, I just think that like I've been procrastinating a lot and haven't been as productive as I usually am. Another thing is this cabinet has not been cleaned for like ages, you guys. It's really bad. I thought it was dirtier than it was, like unorganized, but I never use it, so it wasn't too bad. Another thing I've been doing in my resets is doing my nails. I like to do gel nails. I do gel X nails for other people. And then all of the stuff that I've gotten is from Amazon. I'm gonna be honest, I don't buy anything in stores. Amazon is my go-to for anything nail related because then it can come the other day. I always do my nails. I file them off the old set. I did a blue chrome design and I loved it. This month I did a green chrome and I don't like it as much. It's not bad, but it's not awful. Like it's not amazing though. When I think about the blue, I think like, oh my gosh, I was in love with it from the beginning. The one that I have currently is just not it. Like, I'm gonna be so honest. So I'll probably end up changing it by the time I make another video because it's just like, I don't even know what it is about this color. Like, I'm just not in love with it. And not only that, I work at the store that I work at. I work a lot like unboxing things. Hilarious that I do unboxing videos here, but that's besides the point. I straight up have to like put product out on the floor for people to buy, so I have to get them out the boxes. So my nails get like pretty teared up from me opening boxes all the time. But yeah, that's what's going on. While I do my nails, I usually like watching either like a movie, a show, YouTube. Right now I'm watching Hannah Elise. I don't know, I go through stages where I just watch one YouTuber and like that's it. Like I don't watch anybody else, so that's something to keep in mind. But yeah, my nails, not in love with them. I'll be honest. I'll show you the final results, if I can speak. I like them, but I don't love them, if that makes sense. And I feel like the last couple sets that I've done, I've been in love with them. So this one's just kind of mediocre. But I'm really impressed with how long my nails are. Like I really do love the length that I'm getting, and I'm hoping that by December it's like really, really long, because earlier this year I had them really long and then I chopped them all off because I was sick of long nails, and now I want my long nails back. So another thing that I do, I use a builder gel on the bottom, and I do build my little apex. If you don't know what that is, look it up because I don't even think I have time to explain it. But I build an apex to make my nails stronger with the builder gel, and then paint it and then put the chrome powder over it. The apex, building your apex just really helps like keep your nails structured and keeps them just looking clean, looking nice. But not only that, I also feel like it protects them from breaking. Like that just makes your nails stronger overall. One thing that I have not done in literally forever, as I said, is make goals. So I decided I need to look over the goals I have. So if you guys didn't know, I don't really have a vision board. I have a index card vision board, and I just write all my goals, and I have core goals, and then I have like yearly goals. My core goals are how I want my life to look, Now, I've realized that my core goals are actually changing. Like, there's so much that has changed in the past year, and that's something that is really important to reflect on. And then I'm also looking over my yearly goals to make sure that, I don't know, everything stays the same. But I will make a whole video on me doing that in December is when I usually come out with those videos. I'm also doing my little monthly calendar. This is one thing that I'm pretty good at keeping up with. I don't know. I just like looking at it and it makes me feel better about myself. I put all my work shifts because I tend to like worry that I'm going to miss a shift. So it kind of relieves some stress just a tad. But yeah, and then I also added all the goals that I talked about this month about like being productive, and I also put exercising and reading and budgeting. I put that all in my Notion, which I never do, and I made a whole new category, which I'll show you in just a second. But yeah, I have so many calendars because I'm so scared of like forgetting something. And yeah, that's the only reason. It's my anxiety takes over just a tad. But yeah, I made it kind of festive. I made it kind of fall-esque vibes and made it aesthetic and put my goals for the month. But yeah, that's everything. Let me know what you're doing to kind of reset for this month. What are your plans for the upcoming holidays? Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another one of my videos. And once you do that, you'll be part of the Angels team, and then you'll never miss another one of my videos. Stay tuned until next Sunday's video because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.